I uh not really sure what to say, to be honest to you. Not the best at this, but I made Engine 6.0 and well, was a cheap provider. It's what it was supposed to be. Well, it still is. It's mainly for Roblox, but instead of, I don't know, let's say a lot of people don't want to cheat in games. They don't like the cheating games. So I switched it up a little bit. I'm gonna show you. You don't have to go to my website. You don't have to do nothing like that if you want to. Shows you everything that was removed and whatnot. But today we're gonna be talking about one thing, and it's this: our website class. Now, I'm gonna show you how you can make your own website and host your own website completely for free. And this is actually very simple. It's all done by ChatGPT, and I'm just gonna give you a little demonstration. So what we can do is, I use Opera. You can use any kind of browser you want. Doesn't matter. Does not matter at all. Just go right here, and we're gonna go to ChatGPT, official ChatGPT website. Right here, we're just gonna say, I've used it a little bit. We're gonna say maybe a website in HTML. I'm sorry. HTML is the coding language. So to use and make a website, you need to own Visual Studio. Visual Studio is completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. And it's, what you'll do is, I'm not going to show you this right now, but it's a coding language. All of these are different coding languages. So HTML is its own coding language. Right? So first, you're going to say, make me a website in HTML. You're going to explain what you want the website to do. I'm going to explain that real quick. In 1 second. Might take a second, might not. Yeah, I'm sorry if my keyboard's a little loud. I'm trying my best, It's gonna give you this doc type right here, as you can see. See my doc type HTML. That's already, first thing that's gonna tell you is, that's already telling you what kind of coding language this is. We're gonna wait for ChatGPT to get done with what it's doing. It's gonna do your live background. While we're doing this, I'll have a link in the description to everything that you'll need. You're gonna go out here and you search visual code. Make sure it's code, because there's two different versions of Visual Studio: Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio. You're just gonna download this right here. Download for Windows. Have a link straight to the website in the description. Yeah, and then that'll be done. You're just gonna copy this. So we'll say we have already have Visual Studio installed, everything like that. Just gonna go here. You're not gonna have any of this. You'll have this. You can just new file. You can just do text file built in. You're gonna copy and paste that in there. It should automatically do HTML. If it doesn't, just type right here HTML and do HTML, because you really want HTML. I promise you don't want anything else. You're just gonna hit start debugging. You're not gonna get any of that. Don't worry about those errors. It's from me. You can just name it whatever you want. I'll name it, I don't know, test 1. We can do save. We'll do edge. This is what it looks like. And this is honestly a little bit more crazier than I thought it would be. You know, it gives your own style. I mean, this is obviously not how yours will look at all. Look completely different, you know? But it's just how, this is how it, I don't know how to explain it, okay? But you have your website, alright? Don't need to worry about any of this. No work at all involved. First thing we're going to do, we're going to delete that because we messed up right there. We're going to do a new file. Text file built in. Now, say we need to name this file a specific name because of the way that we're going to host it for a link. We're going to do index, and it's going to do, don't have to type HTML. You won't already have it. There we go. Done like that. Get started button does nothing, right? So you're like, oh my god, what's all this code? It's so hard to read. No. Control F, and you're gonna search get started. Get started button, right? This button is a wrong. It's not. It might give you the right button. It might not. We're gonna come back over here to ChatGPT. All right. We're gonna say. We're gonna say make this button take me to a separate page because websites are split into separate sections. So your home page is one page, your store page is one page, your announcements page, your updates page, your status page, everything is a separate page. If you do it this way, it's so much less. I won't say clutter, but I mean you just won't have as many problems as you would with trying to get everything into one big HTML. It's so much harder to understand. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna show you how long it takes. I'm not gonna skip through any of this. It'll be the entire video uploaded. I don't know if you'll like it. You might not, but if you don't, then oh well, man. Oh well. It's just going through the code. It's taking its time. It's honestly taking its sweet ass time right now. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, see it just, yeah, it's done. Sometimes it wants to take its sweet ass time, sometimes it doesn't. After you're done with that, you're just gonna come here and you go, whoop. Boom, boom. You see how it says file not found. So now we're gonna go back up here. We're gonna search get started one more time. And you see it says one click location herf equals get started HTML. This get started HTML is the next page. So what you'll do, I have to show you this. What you'll do is we'll just delete this for right now. And we'll come right back over to ChatGPT and we'll say, now make me a store page with a mini professional Plinko ball game. It's gonna make that real quick. It's gonna take a couple seconds. Just gonna go right through it. Alright, once it's done like that, I'm just gonna hit copy. Get rid of Visual Studio. Paste our code in here. Run, start debugging, make sure everything's good. Just drop a ball. Obviously right now it has no phase. It's gonna drop. Has 3 products, whatnot, so cool. Come back here. Right there it'll say get started.html. We're just gonna take this and we're gonna delete that. And we're gonna type this name right here, untitled-1.html. We're gonna do untitled-1.html. Boom. Now we're gonna run this page right here. It's gonna bring us to right here. Click get started, and boom, it takes us to our next page. And that's really all I need to tell you how to do right there. That's literally it. Any other page you want to add, you tell ChatGPT to make a tab bar or something for you, and that's it. Oh, actually, that's literally it for your website. Now to host your website, to make your website actually work, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need GitHub. With GitHub, you're gonna need to hit create a new repository. You're gonna name a repository. You name it whatever you want. Let's do test 1. It'll always be available. Don't worry. Upload an existing file. Choose your files, and it won't look like this. You'll choose. I need the index. So index HTML. We can just do open that and then choose your files, and then we'll do untitled1. Open that, commit changes. It's gonna take a second. Done, depending on how fast your computer is. Come over here to settings, go down to pages. You're gonna do, instead of deploying from a branch, you're gonna do GitHub Actions, static HTML, configure. Don't have to mess with anything. Just gonna hit commit changes. Don't have to name it. You need to keep that name right there. Go back to code. Back over to actions. I mean, not actions. My bad. Oh. Actually, we're gonna go back over to actions. You'll see this. It just started going. It wasn't there at first. It's gonna create a static YML. I can't explain to you what that is because I have no idea what it is. Once it's green, you're going to go back over to settings, down to pages. Now, if you own a custom domain, you can put your own custom domain right there, and that's what it'll be. And then here's your link. It takes you straight to your website, and it's hosted. It's literally how you make a website. There is no easier way no one is going to tell you how to make a website like I just told you. But yeah, I mean, if you guys want to try it out, I can leave the link just to show you that it does work. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, the only thing I ask from you, I don't want to subscribe, I don't want to like, because I'm trying to grow my community. I want to be known in the community because I think I'm very good at what I do. I can make a website from nothing. I don't need ChatGPT anymore. I've just used ChatGPT for so long and learned from it that I know how to do this stuff, and I want other people to learn because people want to know how to do it, and some people might not want to know how to do this, and that's fine. You don't have to know how to do it, but you know, some people might want to. The only thing I ask from you is to join my Discord server, and just, you don't have to buy anything from me. You joining my Discord server and supporting me is all I need from you. And I thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a blessed day.